Catergator insulated jockey boxes are perfect for serving beer at festivals, fairs, tailgates, and other outdoor events. These convenient mobile draft beer systems do not require any electrical power to function. Simply hook your CO2 dispensing kit to your keg and to the back of the jockey box, pull the tap, and thanks to the stainless steel coils, you'll serve a cold beer every time. The boxes feature a triple insulated design and include a layer of high-density polyethylene to make them virtually indestructible. Its lid delivers exceptional versatility, with a ruler engraved along its edge and 2 built-in cup holders. The drain is located on the side of the cooler, allowing for quick and easy cleanup. These units are available in 1, 2, or 3 faucet models. The 2, 3, and 45 WH1 faucet models come equipped with 120-inch stainless steel coils. The 20 WH1 faucet model comes with 50-inch coils. All units come with handles for easy carrying and transporting. Combining durability and convenience, these jockey boxes are the perfect addition for all your outdoor gatherings.